What's up, guys? I'm the PigPig Gamer. Welcome back to another tutorial. Where today we are not doing a magic launcher tutorial. I forgot to put magic launcher. I'll rename the video after this video is over. But today we are gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Windows AlphaBetas build 905 in VirtualBox. Now, on the old channel, I did this tutorial. And this is like a remake. I'm not going to put remake in the title though, because I don't really need to. So yeah, this is a remake of it, and I just want to show you guys on the new channel as well how to do it. So, because not as many people view the old channel anymore. So, first thing you need is I can actually go through tabs because I'm in full screen mode. You need to get VirtualBox first. So here's downloads. I'll put this in the description. I forgot to put the links. I think I forgot to put the link to Magic Launcher description. So yeah, I don't know if I forgot. Anyway, so we got VirtualBox Windows host, which is for Windows. We got VirtualBox for Mac host. Don't worry, Mac users, you can do this if you really want Windows. Linux for no, sorry, VirtualBox for Linux host for Linux users, and VirtualBox for Solus host for Solus users. Now, since I'm on Windows, I downloaded this one, so just hit that. And then second thing you need is the ISO file. So, these ads, oh my goodness. Here is the ISO. I'll put this in the description too. So yeah, here it is. Windows AlphaBetas build 905. It's a raw file. Just hit that download button. And I think we're all set. So first thing you need to do once you install VirtualBox is launch it up. So launch out VirtualBox. Here we go. It should launch up. Please launch out VirtualBox. There we go. So this is what it should look like. If you haven't made it yet, then you won't have these. These are ones I installed off camera. You can update if you want. I like this update though. So if you want to install VirtualBox, first you need to hit this new button. And there we go. So this screen should come up, and let's call it Windows AlphaBetas build 905. And then put this on Windows 2000. It's kind of similar. I guess you could put it at that. So next, so here is the memory of RAM. I'm gonna pop up the RAM a little bit. It doesn't matter how much you can put up. It's like there's a little meter here. So yeah, stay in the green zone. I think you should stay in the green zone because you're all the way up to here. Computer will probably run really slow. So I'm just gonna stay at here. The recommended memory size is how much it says to. So next, create a virtual hard disk now. Hit create. Do VDI VirtualBox disk image. Hit next. Dynamically allocated. Hit next. Here is the size, which is like the gigabytes. I'm gonna leave it at that, but you can put it up if you want. Hit create, and there we go. So now you hit settings, and then you hit storage, and you see this empty disk here. You click it, hit this, and then hit choose virtual optical disk file. You want to hit that. And then I create a folder here. So here it is. These are tutorials in the future, but here's the one we need right now. So here we go. And then here's the ISO file. It's a WinRAR archive for me for some reason, but really it's an ISO. So we double click that, and then it'll be like, yeah. Hit OK. And as you can see, there we go, ISO. And then hit the start button. And this will start up your virtual machine. Here we go. So here it is starting up. There we go. There's the VirtualBox logo. And there we go. Here's the Windows 2000 setup. So yeah, if there's any problems, if this didn't come up or something like that, any problems you got, report it in the comment section below so I can try and fix it for you. Alright, so here it is. So I'm starting Windows 2000, but remember, I promise this is Windows AlphaBetas. It's not going to be Windows 2000. Okay, so we go set up a store in Windows 2000, and we can put in this. Right, so to set up Windows 2000 now, press enter. So you press enter, and then this is like a little agreement. You hit the page down button. Wow, it didn't even pause. Awesome. The page down button, not the down arrow. The page down, and then hit FN F8. Good thing I didn't mess that up. And then create this screen. Enter, and then don't do FAT. Do NTFS file system. Hit enter, and then it's gonna. This shouldn't take too long, cause the virtual machine is 2016. There we go. See how fast it's going? It goes really slow. It's not really a problem. You could just maybe eat, have a drink, just wait for it. There we go, 100%. And then it's gonna examine your disks. It's checking drive C. There we go. It's copying files now. And yeah, so then we should go to the Windows 2000 / AlphaBeta setup, because I think there's like a beta of Windows 2000. I have no idea. And someone on my previous video commented AlphaBetas might be similar to AlphaBets, which is really funny. And also someone said in the comments that while this is running, someone said Windows AlphaBetas might be like a version of like a bunch of Windows betas combined together to make this operating system, which is really cool. That's probably why it's called AlphaBetas. Anyway, here we go. It's at 50%, and you can see down there, like down there, it did a bunch of DLL files, and setup could not. If it didn't, it just keep pressing enter, and it hopefully it works. Enter. If it just keeps doing this, just hit escape. And oh yeah, what's wrong with me? I'll go back here. So yeah, just keep hitting escape, and hopefully it'll work. That could happen. I forgot if that happened in my other tutorial or not. Alright, I thought it was complete for a second. I'm like, okay, so then nope, it didn't complete. It was an error, but don't just ignore the errors. Try to ignore them. But if they just continue on popping up and just cause the system to like shut down or something, report it to me. See, just hit escape again, and it should work. There we go. See? Look, it's still going. And here we go. You can just hit enter. So portion 7 is there a floppy disk? There's no floppy disk, and just hit enter, or just wait for that thing to go. And then do not press any key boot for CD, because otherwise you're going to continuous loop in the setup. And here we go, it's starting Windows. See, told ya. The amazing loading screen. See, all these pictures here is like Microsoft, the first ever one. 3.0, I think that is. Windows 3.1 is Chicago. NT Workstation. Oh, it's gone. And it should bring you to the actual setup. There we go, Windows 2000 setup. Presented by Troy's work, yeah. Satisfied? Yeah, this version is pretty cool. This turns into gray. Oh my goodness. So here we go. Welcome to Windows 2000 Setup Wizard. Hit next. And here we go. So, please wait while setup detects installed devices such as a keyboard or mouse. This will take several minutes. During this time, your screen may flicker for a few seconds. So, warning people, epilepsy, try and look away and just look back if it did anything, because it does flicker for a few seconds. It may happen. I don't know if it'll happen here. Hopefully, it won't mess up the audio in the video. So yeah, it may flicker for a couple seconds. So yeah, this happens on like every Windows 2000 like version thing. It always does this, I think. Alright, if there's no mic, I'm really sorry. I've had problems with that in the past. Alright, here we go. My sister walked back in. I think she solved the problem. No idea though. What's she eating? That looks delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm getting hungry, guys. I'm gonna have to eat after this. I need to eat something after this. But not bacon. How about we have a little bit of chicken nuggets? Yeah, chicken. Right. So I think this is the point where it's gonna happen. When it gets to like this part, I think, or this part, it's gonna start flickering. So yeah, when you're watching this, just look away for people with epilepsy. Now, luckily, I don't, so I can see it. I can show you guys, so I'm safe. Yeah, if you guys have epilepsy, do not look at this. Do not look at this. Okay. Old computers make my mouth water, but I like Windows 8 much better. As you can see on my pizza craft tutorial, and on the tutorial we're seeing right now is a Windows 8.1. Oh, did it flicker? I don't think it flickered. Oh, never mind, it's happening. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what happens. I thought it shut down. I'm like, oh no. And then, nope, it started flickering. Okay then. So yeah, that's what happens. A bunch of glitchy stuff, or it looks like a bunch of glitchy stuff, will come up on your screen. And once it's over, you can look. You can look now, guys. You can look now. All right, here we go. It's almost done. I don't know why that's the loading bar is flickering. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that does happen. Oh my goodness, yeah. If you press any key boot from CD, then you have to do the whole setup again, which would be a pain in the butt. I could just skip the video, but it's almost done, so I don't think I would really need to. So yeah. Right. So yeah, again, if you got any errors, make sure to report it in the comment section. Like, comment it what your problem was, or copy the report, and just tell me, okay? I will try my best to try and fix it for you. I'll look into, well, we won't look at my virtual machine, but I'll look it up on the internet, and then I'll tell you the answer. Something like that. Right, King, let's do the new Google thing, the GABCDEFG thing. Wait for the girl. Excellent, here's the final melody. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry guys, I'm getting distracted. The tutorial's all already at 12 minutes. Oh, there we go, it finished. Nice. It went really fast. So here we go. Now, finally it's over. Sorry that took so long. So here's regional settings. This is your time zone. The English United States. Just hit next if it's right. Here we go. So my name is Ryan. Do you have to put in the organization? I will. I'm gonna put PigPig Gamer, cause that's my YouTube channel. So let's hit next. And then there is a product key, but don't worry, there is one included. So if we go into here, there's one included in the text file. Thanks to the person, they include the product key. I forgot there's a product key that comes up. Don't lose this number. Right, so if we go into desktop, we go to Windows OS, Windows AlphaBetas, CD key for any build, and this is the key right here. So here we go. So I'll have the key over here. Oh man, can we like copy and paste it? Let's see if we can do that. Control C, Control V, Control V. It won't even paste it. Oh, you can't copy and paste, so you have to type it in. V, oops. Oh, how do I get it to like stay there? I have no idea. VXK, XK, C4. There we go. 2B3YF, 2B3YF, W9MFK, W9MFK, QB3DB, Q3, what was it? Q3DB. Nope, that wasn't it. It was QB3DB. I think that was, yeah. And 9Y7MB. 9Y7MB. And that should be it. There we go. Hit next. Oh. Did I type something wrong? QB3DB. Q3Y. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? C4 3Y YF W9MFK QB3 DB. 7. Oh, I forgot the 7! What? Why can I not put the 7 in? Oh, it wasn't a Z. Okay, there we go. And then hit... Oh, geez, what's going on? And then hit next. There we go. Let me get rid of this. Save. Right, so computer name, let's call it AlphaBetas 905. Right, you don't need to type in password, hit next. Do you want to use name? We'll just hit yes. There we go. Please wait while Windows installs networking components. I don't know if I hit something else. I think I hit next. Oh, jeez. Or I don't know if it does by itself. It just kind of lagged a little bit. Right. Here we go. Typical custom. Do typical. Hit next. Work group. I'm gonna hit no. You can hit yes, I guess, if you want. Just leave it like that. Hit next. Yes, just hit yes. And then it's gonna do this stuff. It won't flicker during this. It'll remind you if it does. It's gonna install start menu items, register components, save settings, and remove any temporary files used. And that just finished. So this shouldn't take too long. Approaching 16 minutes. 16. Alright. And then I think after this, then you should have Windows AlphaBetas build 905. So yeah, hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I'll be so mad. There we go, and yes, there we go, it worked. So you guys go do all that stuff, and it should bring you this screen. If it didn't, report it in the comments. Complete the same Windows 2000 setup. Was you successfully completed Windows 2000 setup? If there's a CD in your drive, remove it. Then to restart your computer, click finish. So I think that means we have to remove this, and then hit finish. And then this will come up again, and then it'll restart. And then there we go, starting Windows. And there we go, this awesome screen is going to come up again. Created by of osbetaarchive.com. Troy's Work Productions. This was made in 2005. Wow. Awesome. Yes, that's what we meant to do. So remove your disk. And look at that. It's like the Windows XP logo, but colored in white. Right, so it's preparing all this stuff. Oh, it says just 6 now. Just hit next. Next. Hit finish. And there we go, your Windows AlphaBetas. Look at this. So yeah, here's the start button. We got programs. Do we have any games? Nope, we don't, but we have command prompts and a notepad. Hey. Okay, that was weird. No. The internet works possibly. Next. Oh, I should probably, yes. Yes. So you have to do a setup. So yeah, you do have to do a setup, but besides that, you can make text documents. What's this? Nothing. You got like system tools. You can do command prompts. You can type in commands. There we go. Look at that. Build 905 Windows AlphaBetas. Oh, jeez, I made that really big. And I can show you also that. Oh, whoa, look at this. Forgot it does that. That also said it in the, like, computer properties. So, properties. That's the testing properties. Here we go, properties. There we go, nice. It's got appearance, effects. Got my computer. So, yeah, oh. What the heck just happened? Yeah, I have not used old computers much, so I might not be familiar with this. So yeah, that's how to install Windows AlphaBetas Build 905 in VirtualBox. I hope this tutorial helped you. I'm glad it wasn't a fail. Um, so yeah, here you go. That you are done. You are done. So yeah, you do have a product key required, um, it was in a text file, which is cool. So yeah, if you did, oh, there we go. So yes, so here we go. So the Windows AlphaBetas Build 905. So yeah, look at that. That's really cool. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If it did help you, and if you did enjoy the video, then definitely give it that big fat like and subscribe for more VirtualBox tutorials and more gaming videos and more tutorials, stuff like that. So yeah, again, I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope it worked for you. So yeah, I will do more of these. And yeah, so sometimes I will take suggestions from the comments of what VirtualBox tutorial I should do. Actually, no, I'm sorry, I won't do that. It's just I like doing them myself, so I'll decide myself on what VirtualBox tutorial I'm gonna do. I won't not only do Windows tutorials, I'll do like Linux, Mac, stuff like that. So yeah, again, if you did enjoy this video, then definitely give it that big fat like and subscribe to join Team Pig Wolf. So yeah, I'm gonna hang out on this computer, and I will see you guys later. Peace.